An AI agent on Solana accidentally sent someone's uncle $250,000 because they said that he has tetanus and needed surgery. I'm not joking. There's an AI agent on Solana called Lobster Cash. Basically, one of those things where it's like I gave my AI a wallet and it can do this and has access to my funds, stuff that we've seen before. All right, so this is the account. You can see that it's automated by this guy, Codex at OpenAI, head of AI. So he has all the credentials needed to make a banger something and for people to band around it, right? Then he made this. And then the craziest part that happened is that this guy below, Treasure David, said, my uncle has been diagnosed with tetanus. I need 4 SOL to get the treatment done. And instead of saying no or ignoring it or needing some crazy prompt injection to hack this AI, whatever, it was just like, okay, if he died tomorrow, I'd laugh. That's funny. And he sent him some money. But he didn't send him $4 or 4 SOL. He accidentally sent him 5.2% of the entire supply. And again, that was around this point here. So at 8 million market cap, 5.2% of supply is a lot. That's like $250,000. The saddest part is that when this guy got it, instead of like DCAing out or keeping in mind about slippage when you sell that large amount of money, even if there is liquidity, he full stacked the entire $270,000 of the token, and he ended up receiving only $100,000. And that was around this point of the chart. So when it went to 3 mil, as we can see here, this was the lowest lows, right? This is when that guy full clipped the entire chart. I get it. $300,000 in your wallet. Not everyone's thinking about slippage, sure. But he only escaped with 30% of what he could have escaped with, which is the craziest part. And instead of just completely killing the chart, you can see here that even today, there's a bit of a reversal. Let's say all-time low is around 2 mil here. It did hit a 2.5x after that. You can't say it completely died, just saying. But wait, it gets unbelievably worse. So then, David, who got this 5% of the token supply and only escaped with 100K after full clipping it, he made his own token and was like, guys, this is going to be dope. I lost so much money on this token because I messed it up. So I'm going to make my own token and then support my own tokens chart with the money that I barely squeezed out of the 5% supply I accidentally got. He now only has $20,000 left as of February 24th. How much he has now, I'm not going to pocket watch that crazy, but I'm going to assume it's a little less, very sadly. That I'm not trying to be funny or make fun of him, but oh, man. So basically, this guy accidentally got sent $270,000, real money, of a token that was managed by an AI agent of a token that was sent to this AI agent, and he claimed and accepted. But then instead of selling it slowly to escape with as much money as possible, he sold all of it at once, full stacked it, and only escaped with around $100,000, 30% of what he should have. Then he made his own token and was like, oh man, I mean, damn. And he was like, let me make some money back. He started to buy his own token back, around $60,000 to $80,000 worth of buybacks on his own token. And now he is left with $20,000 as of 2 weeks ago. Where he's at now, I don't know. I love this story because it's a tale as old as time where, oh my God, crazy amounts of money hit your wallet. What do I do with it? I understand. Like most of us have never seen $300,000 in a phantom wallet before in our lives. I get it. But man, you can only do this in crypto. You can only do this with AI. And I'm glad because this kind of stupid stuff should not be leaked anywhere other than Twitter. But yeah, good luck, David.